So I've just had a shower, hit the camp. Now the hot water system wasn't working yesterday, so I tried my hot water tank idea and it worked really well. This is the tank down here. I'll just get dried off and I'll show you more about it. Hang on. I just wanted to show you the shower unit that I made. So before this we just had a normal kind of camping bag that you hang in the sun that gets hot during the day, but it didn't have any sort of pressure, so I had a few ideas from online and I ended up making this thing. So this is my shower tank. I don't know if you can read the letters on the front. It says shower tank, fresh water only. So this is an 8-litre spraying unit that you would normally get from a hardware store for things like pesticides and garden sprays. So I put notes on here saying fresh water only. This is just for the shower unit. So as you can see, it's black. I spray painted it black so that it could be put out in the sun and it could get hot over the duration of the day. I left a little window on the side where the gauge is for how full it is, so I can actually see how full it is. It takes the full 8 litres. I'll just and it works on a pump mechanism, so I'll just show you on the stand here. So the idea is, like normal of these sprays, you pump this down into the chamber. It creates air pressure inside, and then you can use a handset to release it. It's got a release valve here on the side, so you can release it if it gets too full, or it can self-release if the pressure is too much. So all I did there was I took off the normal spray unit and I attached one of these. In Australia we call these a vegetable sprayer, I guess, for the sink. Also it's like a laundry hand spray. And I just kept the regular cord, attached it to the normal line from the spray unit, and when I put pressure in here, I can actually get a decent amount of pressure and have a wash-off spray. So that worked really well this morning. I filled it up with cold water first, about 3 litres of cold water. Then I boiled 2 kettles of boiling water, put that in, and then topped it up with cold water until the temperature felt about right. And I had a full, good sort of rinse-off shower, not a constant shower, but a rinse-off shower. I managed to have a time for a shave and wash my hair and everything, and there's still about another litre or so left. So about 8 litres is enough for a good adult shower. Maybe you could do 2 kids in that time. But yeah, that worked really well. I'm really surprised and happy. I feel fresh now. Nothing like being washed at a camp, otherwise you're all grubby and dirty. So, thanks. Hope you enjoyed watching that.